Gino sold the property to Bastille Corporation, which issued 3 million peso checks. Before leaving for the US, Gino entrusted the checks to his niece Trisha and executed a special power of attorney in her favor, authorizing her to collect rentals and deposit them into his bank accounts. Trisha deposited 2 checks with Garnet Bank, initially credited as time deposits. Upon maturity, Garnet Bank issued cross checks payable to Gino, which Trisha deposited into Amethyst Corporation's account in Garnet Bank. She also deposited the 3rd check directly into AMC's account in Sapphire Bank. Gino sued both banks for damages. Decide. Garnet and Sapphire banks are liable. In Premier Development Bank versus Manalo, the Supreme Court held that banks must exercise the highest degree of diligence in handling deposits and are liable when they allow unauthorized transactions involving crossed checks, especially where the payee is not properly credited. Here, Trisha's SPA only authorized her to collect and deposit funds into Gino's accounts, not to deposit them into AMC's account. Notwithstanding, Garnet Bank allowed the cross checks payable to Gino to be deposited into AMC's account, while Sapphire Bank credited the 3rd check to AMC's account without proper verification.